Hey guys, Russian Rider here. This is my sound comparison test between the Yoshimura R-77 full exhaust with the baffle inserted compared to the stock exhaust. Now I'm also going to have a review video on this exhaust as well as a step-by-step installation guide, so make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on those videos. Now I wanted to make this comparison as true to life sounding as possible, which is hard to do. Most videos you see online are just using cell phones where they automatically adjust the volume of their recording to a predetermined level, which makes it kind of unrealistic sounding compared to real life. Now I'm going to be using an external recorder about 6 feet away from the bike, which you guys will see here in a second, and I have it set to a manual recording setting so it doesn't adjust between the different exhausts. So make sure you turn down the volume of your speakers, whatever you're listening to. First I'll have an idle type of test, then a revving test, and then bouncing off the rev limiter. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you guys think about this exhaust in the comments below. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and if you haven't yet subscribed, make sure to do so. I'm going to have those other 2 videos on this exhaust coming up soon, and if you guys want to see more videos on the FZ-07, check out my channel. I have a bunch of videos, including an installation and review of the Yoshimura Fender Eliminator kit. I'm also going to have a link in the description where you guys can get this exhaust. I think this is definitely one of the best exhausts for a fantastic price for the FZ-07, and until the next video, I'll see you later. Peace.